Hello guys, welcome back. We are in Magic Kingdom tonight. Happy 4th of July. Tonight we are watching the fireworks in Magic Kingdom. I have never seen these fireworks before. I'm with Kyle, he's doing his video over there. But we're about to go in. There's a ton of people coming in, guardrails are coming up. It's gonna be wild.
It's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be literally insane.
Last year I was at the Polynesian and not in here, and it was crazy here. They're very close to capacity too, I heard.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man, well we gotta get in there. Guys, before we start this video, make sure you like, thumbs up the video, subscribe, share, and let's get this day started. Hey guys, I didn't notice, but there is a DJ. If you can see, the nice cast members are letting us check this out up here real quick. There's a DJ in front of the castle. So we gotta go check that out. I'm excited. I didn't know they did this for 4th of July or July 3rd, so super excited. What's up guys? This day is getting better and better. Who did I just run into? I just ran into Prince Charming, Dev.
JoJo? What? I swear. You hit 4K? Congratulations!
Thanks, buddy.
And TikTok 2 million?
Oh, to 7 million on. Yo, how you doing, brother?
Good, man. How you doing? Happy
Good.
4th of July to you.
Happy 4th of July.
And
Happy
the fams.
Exactly.
It's good seeing you.
There's so many pals in here today. Guys, this is my first time. Dev was giving me some tips on where to watch the fireworks. Might be seeing him later. There's a DJ dance party here.
Everywhere. 3 of them.
I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah.
Guys, by the way, if you don't follow Dev, I'm gonna leave his bio right here, his link right here. It's on fire. Ooh. Down below too. Go check him out. He just hit 20K, right?
I just passed 21 today.
21K on YouTube. That's amazing. Hey, congrats.
Thank you, man.
We're all growing out here.
Trying to catch
Makes
up
me
to
so
these
happy.
guys. Show these guys.
Oh, these guys right here.
WDW couple.
Oh.
Ear to ear magic.
Ooh, so many pals out here.
And then Bianca?
So many friends. Whoa! So many pals out here. They're all great. Go check them all out. I will leave them all down below.
So if we accidentally end up in a JoJo video, does that mean we get 7 million viewers like that immediately?
I think so. And what do we have to do? Do we have to
Just show up.
You gotta bring a forky.
We'll be here.
You gotta bring a forky. And trash.
Trash?
Trash. Well, trash. Wait, guys, this is amazing. I've never done this before. Yo, this place is packed. Wait, that guy is literally doing my dream job right now. We are now in Tomorrowland. There's a Tomorrowland dance party happening here as well. It's kind of wild right now.
Alright, everybody turn and face me. Put your hands.
The dance party in Tomorrowland's pretty lit. We are still in Magic. We have returned back to the hub, but the park is 101 right now. Lightning is coming through. Whoa! You see that, Kyle? You see that? Whoop. There it is. You can literally hear it. Oh boy, people are starting to move. Oh no. The castle looks amazing though. Look at that. Anyway, we're gonna keep moving. We're gonna keep grooving. We're gonna figure this out. So we were gonna get food, but then we decided to stay because, oh my God, we want to see these fireworks, but everything's 101, so there's just a lot going on right now. A lot of people overwhelmed. Kyle got a tissue.
Take me blowing my nose.
All right, so we have a spot right now. We're in the hub. The lightning is going off.
Right behind us is insane.
It's a brand. You can hear that, right?
did you get that?
Got that.
It's bad.
It's getting pretty
It's
rough
gonna
out here.
be pouring here any second.
We were joking. We were saying if one of us, if something happened to us, we can use each other for clickbait.
Get my permission.
But then it wouldn't be clickbait, because then
This will be your
like
last video ever. Signing off.
that could be the clickbait. Last video
Last
ever.
video ever. Nah, it's the 4th of July.
It's all good in the hood. We're celebrating America, and we're excited to see this whenever we see it.
Yes.
Wish us luck. Always making friends out here while we're waiting for the fireworks. What's your name?
Caleb,
This is Caleb. And what's your name, sir?
Matt.
Where are you guys from?
Nashville.
Nashville, Tennessee. Hey, I know. I took 8th grade geography.
I would hope you would know that.
Are you guys excited for these fireworks?
Yeah.
Now, when it starts raining, are you guys gonna stick it out?
Sticking it out.
You're sticking it out till the end. That's what I like to hear. I hear. We're sticking it out too.
I have an Osmo gimbal. I use for my phone. Usually I bring it. It does the same thing. It stabilizes.
Yeah, I've got the big one too.
Yeah.
I wanted something a little bit smaller.
I missed it. You get it?
I'm trying to. So like, there's still lightning, but like the sun is red, and look at this. You don't even know what's going on anymore. Do you know what's going on?
No clue.
I can't tell if it's supposed to be dark or
The sky looks beautiful right now. Everyone's just like taking out their cameras. I think they're all just confused. I know I am.
It's dark out. It's starting to rain.
no music.
No
It's
music.
boring.
That was a good beat you got going on there.
You know, I try.
Cow.
Hi. That's a close-up if I haven't seen one.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Happy birthday.
That was cool.
Yeah, wasn't I recording that? All right, so we've been waiting for a while. We've been sitting down. It's 9:17, so we've been here for what, like an hour? Yeah. Yeah, it's been a while. But the thunder's moving by, as you can hear. Ooh, it's coming back. Everyone's getting excited again. Let's get up. You ready to get up? Yeah. Let's do it.
America, a land where eagles soar. Since history began, its people have celebrated the magnificence of this land. Tonight, we celebrate America, a land of many people, a country that continues to grow, a nation of courage and independence. America, the beautiful.
at Sunshine Tree Terrace, and I'm about to try the Red Revenge. It just came out apparently. Kyle told me about it. It looks good. I'm excited. I usually don't get desserts. Fun fact, last time I got dessert was actually the Hey Hey ice cream. Link in down below for that video. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'll let you know what I think about it. Here it is, the Red Revenge. Thank you so much, sir. Let's go.
All right, so far this thing's pretty good actually. Kyle's actually done. Did you like it? That's the sound of him liking it. It's a strawberry Dole Whip and Fanta soda. I'm usually not one to eat treats, but this is pretty good. So if you haven't had a chance, go try it out. All right, guys, I just ran into Duke. We've been dancing for the last like 10 minutes. It's the 4th of July. Hey. All right, guys, it's been a fun day in Magic Kingdom. The dance parties were late. It was a struggle waiting in the hub, but we did it. I hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks. I did it for you guys. If you enjoyed, hit that like, smash that subscribe button, ring that bell. Happy 4th of July. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Or I hope you did have a good day and be safe. I ran into, Haley and Os. But, we're going to go on Haunted Mansion now. But anyway, guys, remember, every day is a blessed day to be alive. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.